Hey guys, so I get a lot of questions on my website at freeautomechanic.com wanting to know, how do I change the serpentine belt? Most vehicles are pretty much the same, and some of them take 3/4 of an inch, some take 3/8, but most of them just have a nub on the inside. You put it in, apply pressure, and pull the belt off. Let me zoom in so you can get a little better look. You can see this is the tensioner assembly. I've already removed everything out of the way. I'm in the middle of taking the engine out, but I thought this would be a good opportunity to show you where you can see it nice and clear. This is the tensioner at the end of it. A lot of them are 3/8 of an inch. This one just happens to be 3/4. You just put your end of your ratchet in there, apply pressure, which is going to relieve tension on this, remove the belt. And of course, once you got the belt loose, you can just take it all off, making sure you remember how to put it back on. Now, some good practice. Once you have the belt removed, it's a good idea to go ahead and spin your idler pulleys and your tensioner pulley to make sure that your bearings aren't going bad. It's a good time to do it. Just a quick spin. We don't hear any. It's not a bad idea to spin your alternator as well. We don't hear any bearing noises or any screeching, so we should be in good shape. Now you might see that I've got this fancy looking tool. You don't have to use that. You can use whatever you want. This just happens to be a universal ratchet serpentine belt set that I own. It has all different kinds of sizes. This one's pretty nice. It's got the 1/2 inch or the 3/8, and I guess I said 3/4, but it's actually a 1/2 inch that went on there. But some of them have bolts that stick out, and you just put a socket on the end of your ratchet, and all the tensioners work pretty much the same way. But if I can find a link to this set, I'll go ahead and put that in the comments below.